Hi, my name is Moses Timbenao, one of the staffs in Teen Missions, Malawi. I am serving the Lord at Wadman Secute. I would like to share with you about one person who was helped much. This person is from one of the locations, and her name is Angelina Benson. Angelina Benson was praying with her friends. They were praying near the fire, and one of the friends hit the pot that was on fire with the hot water, and that hot water fell on the leg of Angelina, and the leg was wounded. One day, as we were doing our Sunday school program at this location, we saw a woman carrying a young lady in her hands. And then when we saw her, we said, why is this woman carrying a lady coming to us? And then we just waited for them to reach. And when they reached, we saw a huge wound on the leg. The mom of Angelina told us that Angelina was involved in the fire accident. That's why he has this wound. But now she was forcing me to carry her to the Sunday school because she wants to learn about Christ. And then to us, it was like, wow, that's a great thing. And the next day we went there, we prepared a medicine for wounds caused by the fire. And then we treated this Angelina. By now, Angelina is fully recovered. She only has a scar, but she's fully recovered. This medicine ministry is helping to glorify God, because when these people have been helped, we tell them that it's not really the medicine that has healed you, but it is Christ who is the owner of the healing. So even if we are providing medicine for you, it doesn't really mean that the medicine is going to cure you, but Christ himself is going to do his work in you. That's why you have seen some people got sick but got healed even without any medicine. It is Christ who heals. So we thank God for the ministry of Wadman Secute, mainly on this part of medical treatment to our kids. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.